Hey guys, this is Wanda the Traveling Dutchie coming right at you from beautiful Colombia. In today's video, we're going to compare the Colombia beaches with the Costa Rica beaches. What are the differences? Well, let me start out by saying that in Costa Rica you can't build on the beach. It's against the law. And right now I'm going to show you where my room is. It's right there. I just had breakfast there. So literally it's 3 meters from the room to the beach. It's amazing, isn't it? All right, let me, I'll just walk and talk. If you're new to this channel, guys, I'm a Dutch expat. And I have been living in Costa Rica for the last 15 years. And then the last 3 years, I've been living on and off in Bogota, Colombia. So I've been able to travel all over Colombia. Of course, a big difference between Costa Rica beaches and Colombia beaches is that Colombia is 20 times as big as Costa Rica. So there's a lot more coastline in Colombia. It's interesting though, because I actually prefer the beaches in Colombia. I prefer the Caribbean beaches. Whereas in Costa Rica, I prefer the Pacific beaches. I'll tell you why that is. This is the pool area with the pool bar. I love it here. We're on an island, by the way. We're off the coast of Cartagena. Yesterday we took a 45-minute boat ride to get here. What I really like about Colombia's Caribbean coast is that you have these type of beautiful little cove beaches with white sand and turquoise water. Now, a lot of people that come to Costa Rica, they assume that all the beaches are like this, like the bounty beaches, you know what I mean? I just realized, I'm sorry, I'm shooting against the sun. The bounty beaches that you see in all the pictures when Costa Rica is being advertised. But obviously Costa Rica has a lot of different beaches. Volcanic beaches with dark sand, yellow sand. It is not all the white sand beaches with the turquoise water. So when you travel to Costa Rica, just make sure you ask a travel consultant, ask a travel agency, they know best. And let them know what your goals are. Because for example, if you want surfing, there's excellent beaches in Costa Rica for surfing. But you need to know where to go, right? All right, so another thing that I like about the Costa Rica beaches is the fact that you do not see any beaches with high rises that are built up the beach. Whereas in Colombia, you do have quite some that seem like beaches in Miami. Personally, I don't care for that. However, I thought I would sit down here so you could enjoy the nice backdrop and I'm not moving all over the place. So let's discuss why the Pacific beaches in Costa Rica, in my opinion, are better than on the Caribbean side. It's simply because there's a lot more of it. There's the Northern Pacific, Central Pacific, and Southern Pacific. There's many different towns, many different types of beaches, and it's easier accessible. Like the Caribbean side is, I don't like driving that road at all. It's a bit dangerous. Completely doable, but a bit further, and the vibe on the Caribbean side is just not my thing, but there's a lot of people that do, so it's all based on personal opinion. Another thing about beaches in Costa Rica, if you come for snorkeling, like a lot of people ask me, oh, can I just walk in the water with my snorkel and go snorkeling? Not really. There's snorkeling in Costa Rica, but you'd have to go on a snorkeling tour on a boat and it take you to specific sites that is decent coral. But I have to warn you, Costa Rica is not famous for good snorkeling and diving. The visibility is not that great and the coral is not that great either. Colombia, on the other hand, absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. I don't dive, I snorkel and I enjoy my time on a boat. So that's definitely better in Colombia. All right, guys, I think it's very important when you want to, book a trip to Colombia or Costa Rica, go through a travel agency or ask somebody that lives there. Tell them what your expectations are of what you want to do. Because that's the thing, right? People come to Costa Rica, they expect bounty beaches, turquoise water, white sand, they end up in Guanacaste, which in the dry season, like there's no green, there's no rainforest, there's not white sand beaches with turquoise water, and they're completely disappointed, of course, completely understandable. Those beaches are there, but on a very different area. So inform yourself, make sure you tell somebody, this is what I want to do. I want to go surfing, or I'm with a family and I want calm, like a bay-like beach like this one, where if you walk into the water, it doesn't just drop, which is dangerous for kids. Tell somebody what you want. Have them advise you so that you get exactly what you want and there is no disappointment. Alright? Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you would really help me out if you would do that. People ask me all the time, wondering what is it that you do for a living? How do you get to travel to all those places? If you're curious about that too, make sure you check the description below this video. There's some text I've written. There's a link that shows exactly how it is I do, and link to these other videos here if you're interested in finding more. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao from Colombia, and I'll see you in the next video.